What's the power of selling? It's not about forcing people to buy something that they don't need. It's about solving a problem for someone and in return receiving a fair compensation for your efforts. It's about creating value for others and in turn creating value for yourself. When done right, selling is a win-win situation. You provide something of value to someone and they provide something of value to you. It's a fair exchange that benefits both parties. Selling's not about being pushy or aggressive. It's about understanding someone's needs and offering a solution that can help them. When you solve someone's problem, you create a bond of trust and in time, loyalty. They will come back to you for more and they'll tell their friends and their families about you. You start the journey of building a raving fan, a true advocate. Here's the thing, when you sell from a place of providing value and solving a problem, you create abundance in your own life. You can support yourself and your loved ones, and you can create a business that makes a difference in the world. So don't be afraid of selling. Don't avoid selling. Stop telling yourself that you're not a salesperson. Instead, embrace the power of providing value and solving problems for others. You'll not only make a difference in their lives, but you'll also make a difference in your own.